Assalamualaikum. My name is Syafiqah Athirah Zamri. I'm from Faculty Information Management IM 245. I want to talk about the system has been developed by this semester. EVM is the E-Virtualmall is a system that providing ensure the location product at the mall. The function of the EVM is provide a detailed info such as in a system will show the location, product, like, and review like a comment about shop and product in a mall. Adopting the concept of OPEC is first to guide customers from lost and not found what they want in a mall. Second is to make easier to the customer to know the thing they want available or not. Third is customer can pre-order or direct order to the mall or kiosk, so customer can save time from walking around in a mall but found nothing. Okay, this is a e-virtual mall. This is a interface of the system. If you already register as a member, you can direct login into the system. But if you're not a member, you need to register first. Click here to register, then so to register we need to click here. After that, click here to log in. This is dashboard for the e-Virtualmall. This is list shop. You can know detail about what type shop in a mall. Also that here this of the shop detail. So we move to the list product. So here to make easier to the customer can search here for the example t-shirt or pen. You can see the result of this system, and also that you can like here if you like that product. Also that if you need something to comment, just click here, submit. this is update profile. If you want to change anything about your profile, you can change here and then click update. Okay, we move to the admin shop. For the owner shop, just click here and then log in. This is dashboard of the admin shop. This is add product. This is how to add product for the admin shop. Click here and then insert your product name. For the example is black shirt. Insert your product price. Product location. Tadi ni. Click here to choose profile, choose picture and then add. So here is the successfully add new product. So I think that is all from me. Thank you for watching.